Today I'm going to show you how to assemble your Absco timber floor kit. What we need to do first is open up the box, check all our pieces are there using the parts list. If there's any issues, you need to contact Absco as soon as possible. Also, something to keep in mind, depending on the size of your shed, you may need more than one floor kit. What you need to do is just check your packaging for the correct number of floor kits required. Okay, now that we've laid out all our parts, using our floor kit instruction manual, we've just configured our bearers, how they're going to be positioned. Starting in one corner first, what we need to do is make sure that we are flush. It's going to be very important to keep this floor square. Now you've got some extra long screws and we're going to use those to lock in all our corners. The smaller screws are for the boards that go on top. Just going to pre-drill a little hole first. We're just going to do one screw at a time, get it square, and then we'll lock in the rest. So we'll go to the next corner. Again, making sure we're flush with the end. Just a little pilot hole. Okay, once we've put a screw in each corner, we now just need to lock in our center bearer. Okay, so what we need to do is just measure the length of our piece of timber there, which is 710. So we just need to come in 355 millimeters, and that's the center of that bearer, and that's where we need to run our center one through. So just lining up with that mark. Do the same down the other side. Again, just putting one screw in until we've got everything squared up. Okay, once we've got that center bearer in, now what we need to do is just make sure we're all square. So just take your diagonal measurements and they should be the same or within 1 or 2 mil of each other. Okay, so now what we need to do is put the extra screws in all those joins and then we can put our floorboards on. Okay. Bearers are done. What we need to do now is put our floorboards on. So what I like to do is put the two outer ones on first, make sure you get your correct distance in your width, and then you can evenly space your boards in between that. Now the shed that we're putting on this floor is 1.52 wide. I like to go just a little bit wider with my floor, so I'd be looking at 1.53, 1.54 would be the width that I would be going for. So what we need to do is screw this side down first and then we'll do the other side. Okay, once we've got our outer pieces locked in, now we can lay out our floorboards, the rest of our floorboards. Now there's no set measurement on how much of a gap you've got in your floorboards. It's just a matter of moving them around till you get a consistent gap the whole way along. Once you're happy with the gap that you've got, then you do your outer screws first and then your center bearer. Okay, now that we've gone around and put one screw in each board, We now just need to double up 2 screws on the outer edges. And that's our Absco floor kit complete.